There are three different ways to name this angle. We can call this angle 1. We can call this angle Y. We can call this angle XYZ or angle ZYX. We cannot call this angle XZY or angle ZXY. When naming an angle, if there's a number inside the angle, we can use that to name it. We can also use just the vertex to name an angle, but not all the time. More often, what you're going to be using is this method, using the 3 capital letters, the 3 points that outline the angle. The most important thing about naming this angle is that the vertex, letter Y in this case, is in the center. X, Y, Z, Z, Y, X. You need to be able to go in order of the letters you write and trace the angle. So X, Y, Z, or Z, Y, X. Okay? The reason we can't always rely on the first 2 methods is, first of all, because our angles aren't always going to be labeled with numbers like this. Second of all, Y is the vertex for only this angle in this diagram. If you take a look over here, now we have several angles coming from the same vertex, X. So none of these angles can be labeled as angle X. But what we can do is say angles 2, 3, and 4. But in addition to that, we can name these using 3 letters as well, just as we did before. So as long as your vertex is in the center, you can name all of these angles. So what I want you to do now is I want you to name angle 4, angle 2, and angle 3. What should their names be if you're doing this the proper way using 3 letters? Go ahead and do that and come prepared for class with that next time.